Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use the one-handed mode on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to activate this mode, we need to go to settings, then scroll down to find gestures and then go there. And finally over here we have the one-handed mode. If we tap on it, then here you should be able to turn it on. We can also set up the shortcut over here. And then as you can see, we have this button over here on the right side, which we can use in order to quickly access the one-handed mode. So now, as you can see, we are using one-handed mode. We have the instructions, and we can simply tap on the button one more time in order to use it. And that's about it. I'm not sure why this option is disabled. I assume we cannot really use the one-handed mode all the time. We need to have this button for some reason, or at least this is how it works in my case. Maybe in yours you will have this option enabled here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.